Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Levoit humidifier, dual 150 ultrasonic cool mist. There's the model number. That's what it looks like. Let me show you the packaging real quick. Ooh, 2-year warranty, top fill design. That's what I want, because the humidifiers where you gotta take it apart are a huge pain. Ooh, aromatherapy. What the heck is this? There's like a sticker here. Okay, I'm gonna check this out. This is why I'm the best unboxing channel on all of YouTube. I show you what they're trying to hide with this sticker. So it says oils to the base chamber too, and they had a typo or something. So, oh, what does it say? What does it say? I'm so intrigued. Well, what the heck? Okay, let me try to peel it from the side. Okay, what are they hiding? You know people are gonna check it out. Wow, they had a typo. Let me zoom in on this. So it said you can also add essential oils to the water tank to create a fragrant atmosphere, and errata. And they said instead of to the water tank, they're saying add water to the base chamber. All right. This is why I'm the best unboxing channel on all of YouTube, uncovering all these changes. Here we go. That's the spec, you guys. Gotta get this, you know, keep your humidities good in your place and have good skin, all that good stuff, breathe better, control your humidity. Follow them on social media. All right, guys, we're doing this, what you guys really came here for, to see what it looks like. Sorry, bad angle in this video, but my place. Ooh, okay. Bad angle, bad angle. All right, set this aside. Let me take this out and I'll show you what the unit looks like. Wow. All right, put this big box to the side. This is what it looks like, you guys. So it comes with this, you know, quick setup type of thing. Ooh, some cleaning stuff, some user manuals or something. Care and maintenance. This is what it looks like. Okay. All right, for you guys, because I like all you guys, all my viewers, fans, followers, subscribers. Taking it out of the package, plastic package for you, only you guys. Oh, okay, that's the top fill. All right, just so you can get a better visual. All right, here's what the actual unit looks like. On, off. Okay, pretty transparent where you can see the water levels. Pretty cute. Good aesthetics. I'm digging it. Better than other, looks a lot better than other humidifiers I've had in the past. So that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. It's gonna get more random, more awesome. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.